What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting. Behind me is the Hellcat. We've been focusing a lot on the Cayman GT4 because it's new and exciting, but the Hellcat hasn't gone anywhere, and we've had some things that we want to do on this car for a little while now. So I'm going to show you on this particular video. We're going to be doing some new valve stem covers, little valve caps that have a Hellcat on them, but also the rear diffuser on this car really doesn't look that aggressive. I don't think it matches the rest of the car in that sense. So we are going to install a new one that has some vertical slats in it. Just looks a little bit more mean. And from what I can tell, it's going to be a really, really super easy installation, which is cool. And then also, shame on me, but I don't have any paint protection film in these door sills yet. So we want to get that taken care of. So these are the valve stem caps. They're Mopar. They've got a little Hellcat on them. And we got these on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description to check out. So they're black with a chrome little Hellcat in them. I think they're gonna look good. Let's put them on. So here they are, guys. The Hellcat valve covers, or valve stem caps, I guess. They're on the car. One of them was missing anyhow, so we had to put something on. We might as well make them a little cooler than those ugly silver ones. So I'm gonna pull the car in now. We're gonna do that rear diffuser piece. Okay, so here is the rear diffuser for the Hellcat, the new one. And I got this on Amazon also. The link will be in the description. It's a soft plastic, it's kind of flexible. Looks like it's a really easy installation. There's just some clips across the top, and I believe some screws down here from the factory one. So hopefully it fits perfectly and goes right on. All right, guys, so we've got the Hellcat up on the lift. This is the piece we're going to be replacing. You can see we've got a little two-stage clip down here and a couple what look like maybe 6 or maybe 7 millimeter bolts. There's 4 of those across the bottom. Looks very easy, and I'm thinking now that once I have that off, it might be a very good time to clean and ceramic coat these exhaust tips. This clip is really wedged in there. There's some burnt rubber under here. I don't know how it got there. I don't remember doing any burnouts. So I finally got this stupid clip out. This is just a normal 2-stage clip. It's just because it was where it was located, it's so dirty, it doesn't want to move like it's supposed to. So that fought me a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys, so these are 7 millimeters. We're gonna take those out. Those are coming out easy, so we got that going for us. Should be it. But so apparently, in addition to the rear bumper part of this, it's also a rock catcher. It's full of them and dirt. I gotta show you guys the rubber inside of the wheel well. You can see that. Again, I don't know who's doing burnouts in this thing, but I don't remember doing them. The rest of this looks like it just pulls off. You do have to pull pretty hard. Ta-da! So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit because I don't want to put parts over dirt, even though it doesn't make any sense because nobody cares. Just using basically a heavy degreaser here to cut through some of the soot and tar and everything else stuck to these. Part didn't come with the hole for the clip on the sides, so we're gonna have to drill a hole here to put those clips through. So I had 2 new clips, so we're gonna use those since I kind of mangled the other ones getting them out. Here is the new rear diffuser, guys. What do you think? I think it's a lot more aggressive look from the back now. I like it. All right, guys, so the last thing I'm gonna do is some paint protection film on this door sill area here on all 4 doors. This is the part where your feet hit getting into the car. I actually have a couple little scratches. I should have done this a long time ago. The previous owner did something else back here. I'm not really sure how you scratch that. Maybe seat belt. Whipping your seatbelt off maybe with the door open. I don't know. But that one wasn't me, but I'm gonna get this cleaned up and get some film installed. So we're gonna clay bar inside of there. And one thing that I always find interesting is in door jams, they don't treat this the same way as the rest of the car. So this surface is never as smooth as the rest of the car. There's always dirt nibs. I think they don't go back over these door jam areas and sand them or do anything like that. So there's always a little bit of roughness here even after you clay bar, just from dirt nibs in the clear. This one's actually pretty smooth, so that's good. All right, guys, we are done. We've got the valve stem caps installed, the rear diffuser. Check out the rear diffuser. I love the way that looks. It's a lot more aggressive. I'm happy with it for sure. And of course, we've got the door sill protection. It's invisible, you can't tell there's anything there, but now it's protected from chips and scratches, mostly from my dog getting in and out of the car. So that is it for today, guys. If you like the Hellcat, if you like seeing us do more things with this car, please give us a thumbs up, comment, let us know what you want to see. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.